Hi, in this video, we are going to see how to solve a problem on binomial expansion. Okay, let's go over the question. In the complete simplified expansion of the binomial a positive b to the power 2k negative 4, there are 15 terms. The value of k is. Okay, let's consider the algebraic identities. That is a positive b whole square. Actually, it's expansion of a binomial because a binomial is raised to the power 2. So this is equal to a square positive 2ab positive b square. So this is actually an algebraic identity. And let's consider another algebraic identity, that is a positive b whole cube. So the expansion of this one is a cube positive 3a square b positive 3a b square positive b cube. Okay, from these algebraic identities, particularly consider the first one. The first one is having the exponent 2. When a binomial is having exponent 2, it contains 3 terms. In the second one, the binomial is having exponent 3. It contains 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terms. So from this, it's clear a positive b whole to the power of n. If a binomial is having exponent n, then it will contain n plus 1 terms. So this is a fact we have to understand from this stuff. Okay, now we can apply the same logic in our problem. So in our problem, the expansion of the binomial contains 15 terms. So if we expand this binomial, so it will contain 15 terms. Then what must be the exponent of this binomial? It has to be 14. So the value of 2k negative 4 must be equal to 14. Now we have to solve for k. So we can add 4 to both sides. So this one will cancel. We just get 2k is equal to 18. Then we divide both sides by 2. 2 cancels out. And 2 goes into 1 times 2 goes into 18, 9. So we get k is equal to 9.